Okay, let's deal with setting this homepage. So first thing we need to decide is what do we want on our homepage? What do we want people to see like right when they get to our site? The way I do it on my other site is if you go to home, what I have here is like a mini version of my bio over here. Um, and then if you go to biography, it's a more extensive, longer bio. So that's cool. I could also, you could throw at them like like whatever is your newest project that you're working on, or, I mean, the thing that like you really want them to see first. That's what I would hit them with. Um, so for our purposes, I think I'll make a small version of my bio, and then give them some other stuff too. So we need to make a new page. New page. Oops, we went to new posts there. Sure, we're on new page. Okay, and I'm just going to call this page home. Now on it, let's put this paragraph. Actually, let's put all of this. And then we'll put a picture. So I'm going to go to add media, and I already have this one in here that I uploaded earlier, so I'll just use that again. Okay, and now what else do I want to put on here? I could do something like, actually maybe above this. I'll scooch that down a little bit. Ooh, if it'll let me. Okay, let's see if we can slide that down. Well, we'll push that down. Let's just say like new album out now, and we'll just like give them something that's like my newest thing. So I'm just gonna make something up. I'm gonna get rid of that image and push that to down here. So let me do this top thing first. So I'll say new album out now, and maybe I'll make this nice and big by using maybe this heading 3. And I'll put this album that I put out not that long ago. Here we go. This is a remix album I did not that long ago. So I'm just going to copy this album art. And then I'm going to go over here and import that. So add new. And then I'm just going to drag that in. If I can find it. There it is. Okay. So now remember this stuff. So let's move this to the right. Just sort of something different. And then I'll link it to none. Actually, let's link this to the Bandcamp page, this page. So to do that, all I need to do is, so I'm on that page, I'm going to copy the URL up here. So I'm going to get that, copy. I'm going to go back here and select custom URL and paste that in. Now it'll take them, if they click on that image, to the Bandcamp page where they can buy it. Okay, so now I should say something about it here. Do I have anything written already? Let's just put this in there. Should probably put something more text-based here, but we'll just do that. For now, I think that works well. Get rid of that. I don't know why that came there. Okay, and now we'll put my bio underneath it, and then we'll put my picture on the left side down here. Oops. Insert into post. Okay, it put it on the right side, so all we have to do is go here to this edit button, say go on the left, and link to nothing. Okay, so now I have that. Now it looks a little sloppy, so let's see it on the page and just see how it looks. So I got to save it by hitting that publish button. Then I can say view page. Okay, it says new album out now. Okay, so what I need to do here, I just want to clean up the formatting here a little bit. So I'm going to go into edit. You can see that there's an extra space there. And I'll pull this up and get rid of this credits. I'll do that. Maybe I'll make this a little smaller by editing this image down to 200. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, let's have a look. All right, that looks a little bit better. Okay, so that's a good home page. Now I don't like that it says home here. So what we can tell that it's doing, and this is another thing that's unique to the theme, is that the home is being put here because this theme is telling WordPress to always display the page name here at the top, even if it's the home page. So there's a couple ways we could try to get rid of that. Let's go to edit page and let's try this. Let's just see if it works. Let's just get rid of the page title. Okay. Oh, that worked. Cool. Because it always bugs me when I go to a website and the home page says home. I think it's kind of silly. Like everyone knows we're at a home page. Okay, so I could keep tweaking this, but I'm going to call it good. I'm going to say this is my my home page. So now I need to set it as the home page first. So I'm going to go into my dashboard. And remember, we're going to do that in one of these settings. We're going to go down to settings, and I believe it's reading. Yes, front page displays. We're going to select a static page, and we're going to say, this one, number 59, no title. Remember, we deleted the title on it, so this is what it's calling it, no title. That's the home page we just made. And this post page, I don't care about, because we don't need it. We're not using post pages. Okay, now let's test that. So if I go to my website, just to the home page, now it's this. Great. So now, next, do I want to add a home button in this menu? We can put it right here, but this huge name image, which is actually just text, I think, is going to take us home also. So if I click on it, it takes us home. So I don't really need a home. I'd probably leave it out, but I'm going to put it in just in case you want one, so I can show you how to do it. Okay, so let's pretend we want a home button. So I'm going to go to Appearance and then Menus. So we've got to go back to the menu to get it there. So now here is our number 59, no title. Let's add that. Add to menu. There it is at the bottom. So I'm going to put it all the way at the top so that, oh, no I'm not. We're looking at the footer menu here. And we don't want it in the footer menu. So I'm going to click this little arrow here and go to remove. And then I'm going to go up here, select a menu to edit, say main menu, and select. Yes. Okay, now I'm looking at the main menu because it says menu name, main menu. So there's number 59, no title, add to menu. There it is. Let's put it at the top. Okay, now we need this to say something. It can't say no title and it can't say number 59. So we're going to hit this arrow to open it up. And we're going to change this navigation label to home. Because now we actually do want it to say home. So this navigation label is what it's going to click on, what you're going to click on, what it's going to say. And you can change those for every link. And maybe just to clean things up, something like this, that's a really long link, I might go through here and just say major works for that. So that the menu only shows that small thing. So let's say save menu. And now let's go look at it. So I'm back on the page. I'm going to refresh this page. Okay, here's my home button. And it works. That's where we are. Biography, music. And I simplified this major works so that the menu is a little cleaner now with just that. Media and store. Menu, great. So it's looking pretty good. We've got a home button, we've got a home page, we've got content on all this stuff. We're pretty happy with it. The next thing I think that we should deal with is this area over here. Because right now we've got recent posts, hello world, and that's pretty useless. We've got a search function that we want. People like search functions. And then we've got all this empty space. So let's maybe do something fun with it. So we'll get into that in the next video.